Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change your charging notification sound in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So when you just charge your mobile and you just pop up on a notification on your right corner of your iPhone, your iPhone is charging. So you cannot get a sound just like you want. You want sound just like I want to sound that charge me up like that, and any sound I want. So you cannot set up like that. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up any sound you want to adjust in your charging sound. First of all, you just have to just go to settings, and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. Go to general section and just scroll down and just go to VPN and device management section, and just here you can disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back, again back, and just go back, and simply just have to download a app. You just go to App Store and you see there is an app named Shortcut. You just have to download it. So after download, just go back and just open it in your apps, and simply just have to just go to automation, and just have to just select a plus icon, and here you just have to just scroll down and you see there is an option a charger. Just tap on that, and you see you have to just go to next, and here you just have to simply search a speak test. SP, just like speak test, just go there, click that, and here in the text section just tap on that, and here you just simply type a text which you want to tell him to speak when you just charge your mobile. Simply I'm gonna tell them that charge me up, like that text. When I'm gonna charge, they speak like charge me up. I'm gonna done it, and here it can done it in my mobile. When I'm gonna connect my iPhone with charger, it's saying charge me up like that. And when my iPhone is low, so it say that charge me up. So in this video, you have to just follow the steps to set up your charging sound in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.